Today we will share with you how we grind animal tissues in-house. We will cover how we weigh the tissue, grind it, and transfer it to the cross-linking solution.
You will need a drill, spatula, weighing boat, cryo grinder, mortar and pestle, razor blade, and forceps. Place the cryo grinder, mortar and pestle, and the forceps in a bucket. Submerge in liquid nitrogen. Fill a separate bucket with dry ice and chill your weighing boats. This is a good time to remove your sample from -80 and place on dry ice. Zero the balance using a weighing boat. Use the chilled forceps to transfer the sample to the weighing boat. Place the sample in the cryo grinder mortar. If your sample is overweight, use the second weighing boat and a razor blade to remove material. Dip the razor blade in liquid nitrogen to cool it before cutting. Cut with the weighing boat on dry ice. Keep the tissue frozen while weighing. Once you have weighed your sample, you are ready to grind the tissue. Attach the cryo grinder pestle to the drill. Crush the tissue with downward force to break the large chunks. Grind the tissue until it becomes a fine powder. The grinding process goes very quickly due to the small amount of sample and the automated cryo grinder. When grinding is complete, pre-chill the spatula and scrape powder off the pestle to minimize sample loss. Using the chilled spatula, transfer the ground sample to a tube chilled on dry ice. Recover the ground sample by thoroughly scraping the walls of the mortar using the chilled spatula. At room temperature, add 1 ml of 1x PBS. PBS needs to be at room temperature or else the DSG will precipitate out of solution when added in the next step. Next, add 10 microliter of 0.3 molar DSG solution. The DSG solution needs to be prepared fresh. Add the PBS and DSG solution quickly so the tissue stays frozen until it is in the cross-linking solution. Invert the tube to mix. Rotate for 10 minutes at room temperature. Then add 27 microliter of 37% formaldehyde and rotate the tube an additional 10 minutes at room temperature.